Hey everyone, I'm back. I'm really excited to show you our new star cutouts. They're so cute. You get 3 different sizes. And we've got this nice transfer. I should say welcome to my video. I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. And if you don't know what that is, Chalk Couture is a DIY, home decor, direct sales company. And welcome everyone, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today, like I said, I'm going to be using these new wooden stars cutouts that we have, and I just love them because they're can be used for many things. We've got them for patriotic, is what I'm going to do today, but I'm thinking they could be used for, say, a teacher's saying, or star student, or graduation, or Christmas, New Year's. I'm really excited that we have these, and I hope we keep them in all the time. But there's 3 different sizes. Here's the large, medium, and small. And the transfer I'm going to be using with these is the star pattern. And we've got 1 large pattern, 2 small patterns, and 2 medium, and some words. And I'm going to get, the piece I'm going to be using is Cadet, Candy Apple, and Shimmer Gold. And I guess we should get started here. Well, these are my 3 patriotics stars, and I'll be doing some more stars, so stay tuned. I don't know about patriotic, but I'm going to be using those letters on the rest of the transfer. in another project. So stay tuned for that. And I love the way these turned out. So excited. They turned out so cute. So thank you everyone for watching. And all my details are down below. Please comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. And see you all in the next video. Bye.